In this video, we present the procedure for activating the electrical circuit of the lighting unit. The video covers access to the fuse holder, correct fuse installation, and functional verification of the lighting unit prior to commissioning. The transport fuse is installed in the lamp to close the power circuit. It connects the electrical circuit after deactivation for shipping or long-term storage. Before the first use, the fuse must be activated by inserting it into the holder. If the transport fuse is not installed, the power circuit remains open and the lighting unit will not illuminate when an activation attempt is made. Lay the unit on its side to gain clear access to the bottom part of the device and the transport fuse holder. Activate the electrical circuit of the lighting unit by unscrewing the transport fuse holder counterclockwise with a flat-head screwdriver. Press firmly while turning counterclockwise to avoid damaging the slot. Remove the fuse holder and insert the transport fuse. Screw the fixture fuse holder together with the fuse. When screwing the fuse holder into the socket in the lamp housing, apply firm pressure while turning with a flat-head screwdriver to avoid damaging or wearing out the slot. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Check the lighting unit operation by pressing the emergency switch button twice. If it lights up, the unit works correctly. To deactivate the emergency mode, press the emergency switch 4 times. If the lighting unit does not activate, inspect the transport fuse for damage. A damaged fuse must be replaced with a new spare part. Refer to the video, SP-401S, How to Replace the Fuse, for the replacement procedure. For additional information on the transport fuse, refer to the SP-401S User's Manual.